Hello everyone and welcome back to Infinite Languages. Today let's feel our world with colors in Japanese. These basic colors are not just part of the language but also beautifully tied to Japanese nature, tradition and life. Let's begin. Here comes red. Aka. Aka. Bright, bold and powerful. In Japan, red is used in temples and festivals. It's the color of celebration and protection. Next is blue. Ao. Calm and peaceful. Traditionally, Ao covered shades of both blue and green. You will see it in school uniforms, street signs and even nature. Green. Midori. Midori. The color of harmony and nature. Think of bamboo forests, tea leaves and peaceful Japanese gardens. Orange. Orangey. Orangey, cheerful and warm. This modern word reflects the vibrant spirit of fall leaves and citrus fruits like mikan. Yellow, kiro. Kiro, bright and joyful. In older times, yellow was reserved for people of status. Today it brings light and energy. Pink. Pinku. Pinku. Soft and sweet. Most beloved during Sakura season. Pink reminds us of cherry blossoms, fleeting, delicate and precious. Purple. Murasaki. Murasaki, rich and royal, once worn only by the aristocracy. Purple stands for nobility and depth of spirit. Brown, chairo. Chairo, the color of tea, inspired by matcha and traditional pottery. Brown brings warmth and simplicity. Violet. Sumireiro. Sumireiro, the gentle violet of the sumire flower or wild pansy. In Japanese culture, it symbolizes elegance and subtle beauty. Black. Kuro. Kuro, strong, elegant and formal. It appears in calligraphy ink, traditional dress and the polished aesthetics of Japanese minimalism. White. Shiro. Shiro, pure and sacred. In Japan, white symbolizes peace, beginnings and spiritual clarity. There you have it. And now it's a time for a quick splash of colors before we wrap up.
Aka, ao, midori, orange, kiro, pink, murasaki, chairo, kuro, shiro, sumireiro.
That's all for today's colorful journey. Now you know the basic colors in Japanese and the tradition behind them. If you enjoyed the video, do remember to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Mata ne!